Okay, I'm going to talk for a second about cleaning up your photo. You can see in my photo I've got this green hiding out down by my shirt collar and around my ears. One thing I forgot to mention, if you want to zoom in and zoom out of just the photo, it doesn't change the actual print size or the image size. Here's what you can do. On your keyboard, hit Control plus to zoom in. Okay? All right, so now we see it all zoomed in. To zoom out, Control minus. Again, I'm using my Move tool, top tool, up here in the toolbar. I'm going to go back to my Magic Wand tool, select that green. I'm okay with that. Delete that out. Delete that out. Select that little bit green. Delete that out. When I'm zoomed in, I can kind of do a rapid cleanup of these kind of bits that tend to hang out on the side. It's hard to see. Okay, if you have a really hard time seeing it, on your layer panel, go down and select the new layer. So layer 2, make sure it's below your layer 1. And then over here in your colors, pick black or red or some color that you can really see. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 11 tools is the paint bucket. It will probably look like the gradient tool. If you hold it, it goes to the paint bucket tool. Okay, if I'm on layer 2 and I click, oops, select all first, Control A. Now it's all red and I can see where the green is or where my kind of rough spots are in the photograph. And I can tidy that up so that it's easier to see. Okay, again, Control D for Control deselect if you've grabbed something on the layer. But if I wanted to, and I'm not too worried about it, I could clean up this hairline and make it look really snug in terms of the color. Okay, but see, I see this piece here. Grab my rectangle, scroll over that, delete that out, deselect it, select this piece in here. Let's try the magic wand. Okay, delete that. And see if it'll get this. There we go. Delete that. So you can trim this up quite a bit if you want to. You want to be really concise. Again, you can change the tolerance up here to make it more or less, take more or less of the same color. Got stuff down in here you can see. Grab my rectangle tool. Get rid of all that. All right, that's looking pretty good. I'm going to call it good. Zoom out, Control minus. Oops, and I accidentally moved myself. So I'm going to go back up to the Move tool, grab myself, drag it back down, line it up with the picture. Okay. Now this background layer, layer 2 that's red, I'm just going to click on it, I'm going to grab it and drag it to the trash. And it's gone. Now it's time to go out on the internet and find a picture I like. Okay, I like rainbow sushi. So I've got my rainbow sushi picture here. Unicorn rainbow sushi. If I look, I can tell that it's really big. I suggest doing this in Google Chrome. Go to View Image. Right click. Save the image as. I'm going to save it as rainbow sushi. And I'm going to save that. Next step, we're going to put it in. All right, that's it.